What's up, everybody? Back with some more robots. So today we're taking a look at the Nightingale with Hussar and Marquez. I want to try this because I haven't tried this build out on the Nightingale yet, plus I haven't ran the Nightingale in quite some time. So I'm super excited to try this. Yeah, we got the, I believe it's, Surgeon paint job. By the way, there's something messed up with the paint job, so it's supposed to be the standard paint job first, and then going down the line, but it's the Frostline paint job. It's pretty much backwards. No, I have some good and bad news. So, the good news, I've got two good news, and two bad news. So, the good news is that I have the test server. Finally, I got the test server, so I'm able to test new things. The bad news is that, it's on my computer, not my phone, so I have to do mouse and keyboard, and I'm still learning how to play like that. And it's kind of like, I don't know, glitchy a little bit, or like, trying to find the word, but it's a little bit weird to play on the test server, because it's like, I can't find the word to describe it. I'm honestly sorry for that. And then another thing, so I'm not able to not able to have music in my videos just because the last time I did that, I had issues with it. But if you didn't see that video, go and check that out. The music fits super well, I think. And yeah, we're gonna jump into at least one game. I don't know if we're gonna jump into two. And we're gonna do team deathmatch. Just cause I don't want the game to go like super fast. So yeah, I was actually able to test out the new Heimdall Titan. It's very fun and confusing. And also, one of my best memories from that is, so I was running the Striker Shurunga, because I haven't ran that ever. And I was using 3 Onslaught Reactors, 1 Titan Accelerator, and my gosh, was that thing fast. So I shot at this tank, and the tank did take a little bit of damage, But since the weapons ricochet, it ricocheted off, hit a Titan, and absolutely whooped it. I'm not even kidding. I killed that Titan. But, yeah, that was fun. Alright, we're just gonna get right into this. Start with the, Nightingale. Be serious. I don't know if I got EMP'd or not. What the? Get this guy. I'm gonna go over to this harpy. Maybe going down might be a little bit better. This guy, I think, has Dragoon. I don't know what I should do or where should I go. I don't know. A little bit confused. Can we go into flight? What is this, a Revenant? Yeah. Oh wow, he got flat. Ugh, fell. Dude, he keeps freaking suppressing me. It's so annoying. It's not just suppression. It's also EMP. Literally everyone's hiding. Alright, we need like some action here. That's why I'm pushing forward even though I'm probably... You got it, kid. Good, I just got double EMP. Good, now we're finally gonna try and get some. Okay, what's this guy in? There's two of them. One's in Aries. I'm gonna heal and back away. If I can get my ability in time, that'd be nice. Why? Oh jeez. Oh, come on. Whoa! Didn't go into my ability fast enough. I'm gonna go in the Scorpion. Be a little sneak. Whoa, this guy's health. Oh my goodness. What the? See that guy's health? Oh, that's... Woo! Made it. Oh, jeez. Come on, teleport. Come on. Yes! This is what I mean by sneaky. There's only 2 Orochis left. Still hit you, dude. Where's this guy? That's a OG. No, that's a Miramax. Nice like a shield. Oh, I thought I'd get that kill. Teleport. Charisma, huh? Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna have some issues. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna jump into the Nodens. Oh, and the match ended. This guy really stayed in this... Wow. Alright, so we won that first match. I think that Scorpion did better than the flippin' Nightingale. Alright, we're gonna jump another... Wow. I cannot speak today. Oh my. We're gonna jump into another game. And we're gonna do deathmatch again. Hopefully we get, like, kind of a sniper map. Oh, one more thing. I did actually get a siren from the event, so I'm leveling that up right now. Alright, you know what? That's a better map probably than the last map. We're gonna start with the Nightingale again. But I think my siren's level 5 right now. I'm gonna level it up to at least level 7, and then I'm gonna bring it into my hangar, and I'm planning on running Hell and Magnetar on it. So, I'm excited for that. Dude, the speed that this thing has is crazy. And the, like, flight duration and the cooldown is wild. Double Scorpion. Oh my. That's what Team Deathmatch is known for. That's why I put in the Scorpion. Because I knew I was going to play Team Deathmatch, so I'm like, you know what? Let's put in the Scorpion. I'm going to land to see if I can help this guy. It's a Titan. Goodness with the Scorpions. Let's go over here. Oh my goodness. Come here. Stop running. There we go. Oh no, we got a shell coming. That's probably not good. It's sitting on his head. Oh! Incoming shell! Well, this isn't good. Oh, come on. Got him. Fly! Espresso. Suppresso Espresso. See if I can kill this guy with my... Hold on, Leech, I got 18 seconds. Please survive 18 seconds. Oh, he's not surviving 18 seconds. Never mind. Oh, it's tied up 7-7. Wow, what do you know? It's another Scorpion. I'm not surprised. What's this? Uh-oh. It's Chubby. No! Oh, really? I got one weapon. Okay, this guy's down to his last stand. See if I can heal this back in here. I'm gonna sacrifice this thing. Because I literally have one weapon. What am I supposed to do? Ah, Chubby got me. Alright, we're gonna jump back into the Scorpion. I gotta say, this map on high definition graphics looks insanely great. That probably came out a little weird, but it looks great. Oh, I couldn't kill him. I'm gonna reload. Oh, am I frozen? I am. Couldn't tell because the effect wouldn't like show on the robot. Oh, is it this one? No, it's not. Oh, it's the Titan. Oh, couldn't do that. Alright, I would go into my Titan, but I don't think I need to. I'm gonna spawn the Heartbeat. If it was spawned. Oh, we're doing this again. Can anyone else relate to this bug? I don't know if it's an actual bug, but it won't let me spawn my robot, so I keep having to do this. Dude, come on. It literally won't let me spawn a single thing. There we go, finally. Sorry about that. I wanted to spawn my harpy, but I guess we're spawning the Titan instead. Oh, God. Alright, we're not gonna talk about that, alright? I'm gonna leave that between me and this battle. This guy's name, why am I just not realizing that? Mr. Taco. Let's suppress that heartbeat. Oh, that's another heartbeat. Kill that guy. Yeah. Kill that guy. Go up this blitz. I think this is a Fafnir. No, it's a Hawk. Look at the amount of smoke that comes from these weapons. That's insane. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, buddy. Ew! Oh my goodness. Well, that's a mirror match if I've ever seen one. Suppress this guy. Alright then. Now it lets me just spawn the heartbeat. Finally, oh my. Wow, did you see that guy's health? What a landing. Oh, jeez. I honestly don't think I got a single kill in that game. He got EMP'd. I wonder why my ability isn't working. Did he have? I think he had quantum sensor. What in the world? Alright, we get that you can run, but you don't need to show off your jumping skills. Yeah, I didn't get a single kill. Ouch. Alright then. 15 kills. Wow. So yeah, that was the game. Not too good, I would say. But anyways, that is the Nightingale. Tell me what you think about this build in the comment section down below. Obviously, we probably could have done better if we got a better map, but it is what it is. And yeah, tell me also if you want me to run some other setups, like just anything you want me to run. Comment that down below, and if I have it, I'll run it. That being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.